Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can apply conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you want to learn how to apply conditional formatting in Excel, please see my video at the top right hand corner or at the end of this video. So let's get started. I have this data set open in Google Sheets. So let me tell you a little bit about this data. So this is the sales data for one of the companies that sells motorcycles, classic cars, and a bunch of other things. But we are not going to worry about what they sell. There's a lot of other information as well, but we'll just ignore that. What we want to do here is the apply conditional formatting to the status column and to sales column. So to the status columns, whenever a person orders something, the order is either in process, the order is either shipped, it is either canceled, or it is either disputed. So what I want to do is that format or highlight all the orders that are currently in process or all the orders that are currently on hold. And for the sales part, we'll just apply a multicolor scale. So we'll get into that like in a bit. So first, let's apply conditional formatting to the status part. So we'll just select the column and then we'll go to format and then conditional formatting. So here you see a few options. One of them is a color scale. This can be applied to any column. We'll just do that in a minute. But first, let's do the single color. So here are a bunch of options. This is the range, that is the entire column that is selected. So it is started from F1 to F28, 24. So that's how many number of rows are there, to 2,824. And then these are the conditions that we can apply to this column. So it could be like we can apply a condition. We can highlight the cells that are empty. We can highlight the cells that are not empty. Text that contains whatever. So if it's like a sentence and we are looking for a specific word, we can apply that here. And then text does not contain, so we can apply to the text. If there's a sentence or anything like that, we want to look for a sentence that does not contain a specific thing, we can apply that condition here. Text that starts with, so start with S or sh or something like that, or text that end with, so it will be like, if we want to we were to look for shipped, so we'll just do the ed or d, something like that. And then text is exactly, so this is what we will be doing, because we want to look for exactly that text. We don't want it to end or start with something. We just want looking for exactly the syntax. So here are a bunch of other things like date is, date before, date after, and then greater than, bunch of other, greater than, less than, is equal to, not equal to, sort of like bunch of other conditions. So let's do the text is exactly. So what we want to do is the highlight everything that is we want to highlight everything that is in process in green. So just do in process, and let's do that in process. And here we can choose the color. We can choose whatever color we like. We'll just select green for this one. Okay, and the other condition that we want to apply is to everything that is canceled. So we want to see all the sales or all the orders that are canceled and all the order that are currently in process. So here we'll just do cancel, and then that one we want to highlight them red because we want it to pop so we can actually can see it better. Okay, we'll do done. Okay, and for here, so yeah, let's see what the results are. So this is the column that we did the formatting on. So if we go down, so here you see this order is in process, it is green, and this order is canceled, it is canceled, and that condition should be applied across the column. So this is like a best way to highlight something. If you're looking for a huge number of data and you're looking for a specific thing, you can just color code it. So next time, if I want to add a record to this, so if I add another record and the record says canceled, it will automatically get highlighted. Okay, so now what I want to do is apply conditional formatting to sales. So here I will just apply the multi form conditions, like a multi-scale condition. So color scale. So this condition is pretty easy. You don't have to do anything. Here you can also like change these, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So here these are different color formats. So this color would be if the number is like the okay, let's see. So if this would be if the number is a minimum value, and then it'll be a little faded if it's like at midpoint, and then max value has no color. So max, we can also change this, so we can make that opposite. So like instead of we can change these colors as well if we wanted to. So if we want to like select for minimum value, we want to select like a light green, and then for here it says none. For max value, we can just select like a dark green or something like that. So it will be different. So we can change the colors if we wanted to. But this is it. So that's the condition we want to apply. So this condition is basically applied to like a scale. So if you have like a rating from 1 to 10, and you want to apply conditions based on that, like kind of to differentiate like if the rating was high, low, or something like that. So that kind of helps. But this is it. So I'm happy with that. Okay, so we applied two conditions here. One of them was to status column, where we were able to highlight everything that we want to highlight. You can also highlight other things too. So there are some of the uh, issue that says resolved. If you want to add like a condition, we want to highlight that something else as well, we can do that. We can just add another condition, text that contains text is exactly. So we'll just do resolved, and it will highlight that one as well. So it will highlight everything that is resolved. So for range, we don't want to do that. We want to select the entire column. See, okay, let's do that. Yes, and then text exactly. uh, So you want to make sure that in the range you select the entire column instead of one single cell. So before this, it was just one single cell, but I want to make sure that I select the entire column. And we also have orders on hold. We can also do that. So, oh yeah, let's do that on hold. And then the color I want to apply here is yellow. Or yeah, we can do yellow, and then done. So now all the orders that are on hold will be yellow. All the orders that are in progress are green. All the orders that are canceled are red. You can apply the same formula or the same kind of like conditions to pretty much everything. So we can do also to resolve. So it's now, let's see, exactly. And here we'll just do resolved. Let's see. I forgot how to spell for a second. So let's see, resolved. We can do that orange, or let's give it a purple. So you can do like a magenta color for resolved. Let's see if we can see it resolved here somewhere. On hold. Okay, I might have spelled it wrong. So let's see. Taxes exactly. So resolved. That is the okay. There's a space right next to it. Yep. So yeah, there we go. Here we go. So we were able to apply conditional formatting to this column. We formatted these four things in here, and they're all highlighted. So this is it for this video. If you want to learn more about conditional formatting in Excel, please check out my video. You should see that at the top right hand corner or at the end of this video. I also have a bunch of other Excel tips on my channel, so please check them out. You should see a playlist called Excel Tips. It has a lot of cool tips and tricks that will make your life so much easier in Excel. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.